Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your Facebook profile picture. To remove your Facebook profile picture, you need to open your Facebook app, and here you can see your small profile picture. Tap on here, and now you need to tap on your profile picture and you need to select see profile picture. Now here you can see in the top right corner you can see the three dot icon. Tap on here and simply tap on delete photo. That's it, and confirm deletion. Now just refresh this page and you can see your profile picture has been removed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.